Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure Kea Bot runs firmware 1, 2 or later and your phone is on a 2, 4 GHz network. Plug the bot in and wait 30 to 45 seconds until the LED is steady blue. This indicates readiness. Once done, open the Kea app, sign in, and grant microphone and network permissions so the bot can receive voice and cloud commands. This gets you into the first actionable state quickly, ready for pairing. You now pair and configure Kea Bot. In the app, choose Add Device and select Kea Bot. Follow the QR or Bluetooth prompts to establish a secure link. Next, assign a room name and a human-readable device name, then set motion and voice sensitivity levels using the percentage sliders to balance true detections versus false alerts. After that, run the auto scan to calibrate sensors. Confirm mapping results so Kea understands its surroundings. You finish by creating automations and verifying behavior. Build 1 to 3 routines, pick a trigger, set an action, and define active time windows, then save and enable them. Test voice commands and remote control and run a manual task cycle to observe responses. Make sure logs show successful runs. If Kea behaves oddly, first reset network settings in the app, and if needed, perform a factory restore using the pinhole. This clears misconfigurations while preserving your account, so troubleshoot in that order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.